Hi, my name is Nidhi Kasha, and I'm going to be presenting to you the automated hydroponic watering system. So I'm going to be going over the overview, what the problem is, understanding the problem, the project objective, the target audience, and our project timeline. Overview. Indigenous communities all over the world continue to face many systematic challenges on a daily basis. From being deprived of their basic needs to being stripped of their culture and neglected by the government, Indigenous communities continue to face tons of discrimination. Indigenous communities, specifically in Ontario, Canada, have been denied access to affordable and accessible food due to financial constraints. Understanding the problem. Indigenous communities suffer many injustices when it comes to food sustainability. They have a very limited access to food, they have very extremely high food prices, and they have inadequate access to fresh foods in their communities. Over here, as you can see, is that we have a statistics of Inuit preschoolers who are not able to afford food. As you can see, 90% of preschoolers go hungry to school, and 76% of them skip meals, and 60% go a day without eating food. How might we statement? How might we increase access to affordable foods for Indigenous communities in a way that addresses financial constraints? So the project objective is hydroponic systems in Indigenous communities. A hydroponic system is a system which grows food using collective rainwater Indigenous communities on Ontario. An automated hydroponic watering system is an indoor system where plants are grown without the use of soil, and water, which is mixed with minerals and nutrients, are exposed directly to the roots of the plants. Our solution is feasible because there is evidence of others using hydroponic systems to grow food. For example, in Puerto Rico, after Hurricane Fiona, locals started implementing hydroponic systems to grow food due to the extreme weather restrictions. Our solution is implementable because many people use basic hydroponic systems and rainwater collection systems on a small scale in their homes. For our solution, we are just taking those two systems, so a facility along with the hydroponic system, and building it into an Indigenous community where everybody can work together to make this work. Innovation is so existing hydroponic systems have the problem with these are that they cannot function without electricity. So there are, for example, if there's a power outage, the system will not work. They have very temperature restrictions. For example, the system will not work if the temperature is very cold, and the source of water has to be very clean in order for the system to function. The difference between that and our hydroponic system is that it will function without electricity. It is sustainable to function in any temperature and existing waters, and there's already existing water source built into the system. The project outline. The target audience is Indigenous communities in Ontario. There are 133 communities in Ontario with an average population of 2,609 people living in one community. The estimated cost of the whole process is approximately $700,000, based on each person having a minimum of 10 square feet of land to grow their own supply of food, which would cost $25 per square foot to build a greenhouse, including tools and supplies. This will concludingly build unity, trust, and reliability in reserves, along with enabling multiple jobs on reserves for people who are unoccupied, resulting in a source of income. This is also a non-profitable organization. Lastly, I'm going to leave you all with a question to think about on your own. How would you feel knowing that you're being neglected by the government and unable to provide food for your family due to financial constraints due to your ethnicity? Thank you.